Hi, I'm April with WTI. I want to share with you this phone case that protects you and your phone. DefenderShield has made this great case here with EMF blocking that protects me against wireless signals and battery emissions, as well as giving me peace of mind against theft. I really appreciate the detachable wallet cover provides RFID blocking for the card slots to keep my information safe and secure. I enjoy that the cutouts and buttons work perfectly. The case fits nice and firm, it's very snug. Now, I tend to be a little rough with my phone and case, and I've used this for almost a month now, and I have to admit I have put it to the test. The scratch-resistant vegan leather is no joke amazing because there is not a single scratch on it. It still looks like it's brand new, just like I got it out of the box. I love that it has a magnetic capability for my car mount and for the wallet part. Also that it has this cute little wrist strap that makes it easy for me to have my phone on me at all times. Protect your phone, protect your identity, protect yourself with DefenderShield. And that's my point of view.